It was 16 years ago. So I've been posted to this company, one of the biggest advertising agencies in Nigeria. As I walked into the building, I'd met with some other people, the HR. So I was scheduled to meet with the creative director, the mighty creative director. I walked into his office trembling, meeting this new guy for the first time. And the first question he asked me was, "Are you mad?" Wow. You can imagine my shock. And I'm like, "I'm not mad." I was already getting furious. Why would you ask me if I was mad? Is this how you people behave? Now the second question was, "Can you kiss?" What? Then he left me. He didn't really explain much. So when I met with other people, I was feeling down. I was so terrified that what kind of a company is this? So they started explaining to me that mad means, are you crazy enough to be innovative? Are you crazy enough to be disruptive? That because if you're going to work in a creative environment, you have to be crazy enough to be disruptive. Your ideas will have to be fresh. Then, can you kiss? Can you keep it simple and stupid? It's very difficult to keep things simple. So those were the two things he was actually trying to pass across to me. And I got the message well. And those two skills have helped me a lot in my journey so far. So you want to add these two skills to your portfolio. You want to add them to your arsenal because they are great instruments, especially for a personal brand. So you want to be mad and you want to be able to kiss. In all of your ideas, you want to apply these two. So be mad and be able to kiss, keeping it simple and stupid. Thank you. See you in my next video.